In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you're going to be able to set up a passive stream of income that's going to pay you for years and years to come. I know you guys are going to absolutely love it. It's going to be super duper easy. You're going to be so blown away by how simple this method is. So if you guys want to know what I'm talking about, then make sure that you hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. All you need to do is follow the step-by-step process that I'm going to be showing you guys today. I'm going to talk about everything that you need to know, so make sure that you pay very close attention as to not miss anything. And I'm even gonna give you bonus tips and tricks, and if you don't watch the entire video, you're definitely gonna miss that. So let's jump right into it. So the strategy that I'm gonna be talking about today really focuses on cafepress.com. This website, okay, allows you to buy a bunch of different items. As you can see, different t-shirts, hoodies, bags, hats, car, accessories, phone cases, and a lot of baby products as well, even like home decor as well, like rugs, pillows. And now we won't be paying this site for anything, don't worry, okay? You're not going to need to pay any fees, you're not going to need to invest anything at all, okay? This strategy is going to work for completely free, okay? So we're going to be using this website to make money, and we're going to do that by designing these products that are being sold, because this website lets you design, for example, a t-shirt, or by just using your laptop, and then the website is going to do the rest for you. You're not even going to have to worry. You know, like shopping, inventory, customer service, and all of that boring stuff. I'm going to show you a free tool later that you're going to want to use that's going to help you a lot and let you design products with no design skills, no experience whatsoever. The only work you'll need to do is just upload, pretty much. Upload images. And in any case, you can check this website out yourself and explore on your own, discover on your own. But I'm not going to go on over it too much in this video, so that it's going to be short and quick. Now, I'm going to show you what you're going to need to do when you go onto this website. You're going to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. You're going to click on Start Selling right here. That's going to now take you to this page. And now you're going to find even more information on how this works. And basically, it works the way I was talking to you about before, what I was telling you before. You upload a design of a product, whether it's clothing, whether it's a thing like mugs or whatever. They're going to do all of the work for you, beginning from promoting your product all the way to selling it and even shipping it, and then you're going to get paid. It's as easy as that. Now, something that's super important about this website is the traffic that it gets. This is where a website called SimilarWeb comes in, and we're going to use it. Now, as you can see, a lot of people visit a particular website every single month. This one has over almost 1 million people. Already 1 million people have already visited Cafe Press in the last month. Now, it's super important information that you need to know, because the more people that visit this website, the more money you know you can actually make with this website, and you definitely can make a decent amount of money, especially because it gets a lot of traffic. Now, going back to Cafe Press, what you're going to want to do on this webpage is to start selling your products is to click on Add Designs here, and it's going to bring you to this page where you're going to need to create an account, which, as you can see above, is completely free to do so. You're just going to complete everything that are asking, and then you're just going to confirm and activate your account, and there you have an account. If you guys want to know how you could make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have an amazing surprise. So make sure that you do that if you want some extra cash. And also, why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you would rather use to get paid. PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Now let's continue. As I've said, Once you've completed all of the information that they've asked of you, you're going to create an account. They're going to send you an email on the email address that you sent to them, and then you're going to be able to verify your email address. That's obviously what they want you to do. So once you do that, you can finally log into your account. Now, as you can see, the moment that you logged into your account, you can start designing your products. And all you need to do is just hover your mouse on to create here, and then you're going to choose a product that you want to design. Now, the best part about this website is you have so many products that you can choose from. If you want to design a t-shirt, a bag, a mug, that means you're going to be making even more money because it'll have more chances and more opportunities to sell to customers. Now, for the sake of today's video, I'm just going to choose a t-shirt. But again, remember, you can choose from a ton. Now, when you pick your product type, you're going to then be taken to this page to choose the actual product you want to design. Okay? And you're also going to see how much money the product costs. Now, I personally have a bunch of these t-shirts that I can choose from, as well as hoodies and long sleeve t-shirts. But I'm just going to choose this shirt right here to use as an example. Now, when you pick your product, you're going to have tons of different customization options. You can choose the color, the size, the quantity, and when you click on that image, it's going to let you upload any image that you want to put in your brand new t-shirt product. And as most of you have already guessed it, this is why I said you're going to be literally uploading images. So you just stick with me so you don't get confused or anything like that. Now, the last thing that you can add on here is text along with the image. As you saw, Cafe Press has a ton of different customization options. It's super duper user friendly as well. And all in all, it's a great website. And with all that being said, I'm going to show you the website where you can download the image and actually upload that onto Cafe Press. Now, the website that we're going to be getting our images from is called pngtree.com. Now, the 3 reasons why we're using this website and not other websites is because 1, it's free to use. The images that you're going to download are free to download. And as you can see here, they're royalty-free PNG images, so you're not going to have any issues putting them on your t-shirts or your products and selling them and making a profit out of them. And the second is because they're free to download, as you've just seen and as I've basically told you in the very beginning. You're not going to have to pay anything. You're not going to have to invest anything at all into this website. And 3 is that this website offers you thousands of images. Anything that you can possibly think of, you can choose to download for completely free. All you have to do is sign up, of course, and you're going to do that by clicking on register right here. From there, you're going to enter in your basic information, and that's it. And now, some of you are probably thinking, what types of images to download? Well, I have a lot of suggestions for you guys, like animal images. They're absolutely amazing, one of the best. So you can go on for dogs and cats, for example. This is simply because people love animals, and there's so many of them, and you're going to be able to get quite a bit of sales out of that. So as soon as you log in, you're not going to look up a photo. Maybe you want to look up a dog or a cat, let's say dog photos, and then to download, you're just going to hover your mouse over it, click on PNG right here, or open up the photo, click on free download right here, and that's it. Now, something I have to mention is that with a free account, you're only going to be able to download 2 photos per day, but that's more than enough because it's going to mean that you can create up to 2 different products, and you can do that to start making money with this. So you don't even need to pay for this website. It just lets you download unlimited photos, but it's just limited to 2 a day, but you can download as many as you want. Now, if you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit that notification bell so that you're going to be notified when we have a new video posted. And let's keep going then. Anyway, guys, now I'm going to go on ahead and download one of these and then use them for designing my brand new t-shirt. So I've just uploaded one of those photos that I downloaded from the other side, and as you can see, it looks super pretty. You can add in text or whatever in the end, some of the options. I'm just going to leave that up to you because I'm sure you can manage that from there. Just do this process over and over again. I've shown you pick one product to design, download a photo from PNG Tree, upload it, finish your design, and then sell it for a very decent amount. And the best part is that you're going to be making money completely passive, and I know you guys love making money in that way because your designs will obviously stay here months and years over. And make sure you try it out, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.